Sir, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in these public inquiries? I hope you, God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. The oath has been administered, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Do you have a lawyer with you, Councilor Tamesin? So,
No, Your Honor.
do you need a lawyer?
Hindi na po.
Oh, sige. So, have you executed your affidavit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ito bang affidavit na ito, ay ikaw, pirma mo ba to? Ito?
Hindi po yan.
Hindi kay Albotra yan. Oo nga pala. Nasaan na yun? Yung kay Tamisin? Tamisin, oo. Ito. Pwede bang malaman ano yung full name mo, Councilor Tamisin?
Ako po si Norvin Lantican Tamisin.
Okay. Ito po ba ang iyong sinumpaang salaysay?
Opo.
Ito, wala ka pang pirma rito. Ikaw ba ay...
Yung hawak ko po, meron po. Bali, maraming kopya po yun.
sige.
If we allow the resource person, Mr. Chairman, to state or narrate the sinumpaan salaysay, you may do so, no?
Opo, Your Honor.
That will form part of your yung testimony mo in your affidavit. So, Mr. Chairman, may we allow him to tell the story, being the a resource person and who happens to be the suspect on the killing of Mayor Cesar Perez, and you were jailed for 7 months.
Yes, Your Honor.
And now you are released.
Yes, Your Honor.
Na-release ka on bail.
On bail po.
So, na-release ka. So,
Yes, Your Honor.
meaning, ba't ka na-release? Mahina kaso or what?
We filed a petition for bail and it was approved.
Okay, siguro, let's start from the start siguro. So, since you are under oath at wala pa kaming nakukuwang affidavit mo na pirmado, so you tell your story and narrate to this committee your side of the story. Go ahead.
Ako po si Norvin Lantican Tamisin. Naging konsyal po ng Bayan ng Los Baños for 12 years. Independent, 2013 and 16 po, nahalal bilang independent at #1 councilor po ng aming bayan. Natapos po ang aking termo ng 2019, June 30. At ako po ay isang human resource practitioner at isang professor po. So bumalik po ako sa pribadong buhay. Noong December 3, ako po ay nasa garden ng aking kaibigan dahil mahilig po akong mag-alaga ng bonsai. Nagtitinda rin po sa pamamagitan ng pagtuturo ng kaibigan ko si Mr. Emmanuel Mapili. Mula po alas 5 hanggang madaling araw ay nandun po kami at nakipagkwentuhan, nakauwi na po ng pasado alas 2. Nagulat na lang po ako, nalaman ko na pinatay daw po si Mayor Perez. That was December 3, 2020 po, Your Honor. Umalingaw nga ako dahil si Mayor Perez po, at that time, based on reports, he was included in the narco list from the original list. Kami naman po ay siyempre nababasa lang, ngunit hindi ko po nakikita. In honor of the late Mayor Perez, hindi ko po alam. Nagulat na lang po ako, naglabasan sa news na ako pala po ay nahabla. Samantalang wala naman po akong kalam-alam doon. Sa nasabing habla, sinasabi nila na nakita daw po ako within the vicinity sa tapat ng 7-Eleven. Wala naman po ako doon. Ang masakit po nito, may nagturo na isang bogus witness na nakita daw niya ako. Kaya nung ma-file yung case, sa kanilang reklamo ay merong video pero hindi po nila isinumite at hindi rin ho kami nabigyan ng kopya. Habang naka-file, marami pong maaligid sa bahay, laging tanong ng tanong, alam ko po mga pulis yun, nakasibilyan. Minabuti po ng pamilya ko na umalis muna po ako. At napagdesisyonan ko upang hindi naman po sila madamay. Dahil alam ko po, malaki ang posibilidad na itutumba nila ako para maging case closed. Kaya lumayo po ako pero hindi po ako nagtago. Naglipat-lipat lang ako at nakikita naman po ko dahil kung sakaling ako itutumba, wag na lang madamay ang pamilya ko. May mga anak din naman ako eh. Nagulat ako, nahuli nila ako sa Baguio, pero hindi po ako nagtago. Dahil naglalakad lang po ako. Kung ako po ay magtatago, pupunta po ako ng ibang bansa. At magpapakalayo-layo ako, pero talagang haharapin namin. Gusto lang namin malaman kung saan at kailan ko magagawa ng parang ipaglaban ng sarili ko. Nung ako po'y nahuli, naghihiring na nailabas yung video na kumakalat ho sa mga Facebook, sa mga messengers. Nagulat kami. Wala naman ako sa video. Kung nailabas lang po yun ng mga pulis na siyang gumawa ang Task Force Perez, ang PNP Los Baños at that time, kung nilabas lang nila, hindi sana kami makakasuhan. Ang sinasabi nila, wala daw video na pwedeng pagkakilanlan ng salarin. Pero kung makikita mo, meron po. Meron. Sinama nila si Ginoong Glenn Arrieta na LCR head na galing ng civil service. I don't know the person personally. Sinasabi nila pinapaling daw ang video, kaya walang makita. Pero bakit meron? Hindi ko pakahabaan, pero kaya po ako nagpunta dito sa inyong paanyaya dahil nung sinabi po ni Madam Colonel Garma na ang bumira daw po o pumatay ay ang team ni Major Albotra, nagsaliksik po ako ng mga videos. Nakita ko yung itsura, pangangatawan, parehong-pareho halos pagkakahawig ng nasa video na kumakalat sa Los Baños na hindi inilabas ng PNP sa korte na sinumiti kagad upang hindi sana kami nakasampahan ng kaso sa court. Paglabas unon, nakita ko pareho ng relo, halos pareho ng build, hard worker o nag-gym. Nakita ko pareho ng balikat, pareho ng gupit, nakasombrero, pareho ng binte, 5.56 mm ang ginamit, sniper din po. Sabi ko, bakit po ganun? Your Honor, I thought the PNP is supposed to protect and serve the people. But I was denied of that privilege. I know not all, but a few of them are scalawags. Because they keep on implicating, some of them keep on implicating innocent people just for them to prove that they have done something or to please their officers, whoever they are. Alam nyo, malaki ho nasira sa akin eh. Nabenta ko lahat, mga ari-arian ko, pamilya ko, lumaban lang sa kasong to. You know how hard it is to hire a lawyer to defend yourself. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta kasi kalaban mo, mga naka-uniforme. Para lang matigil yung kaso, tutumba ka talaga. Kaya sabi ko, bakit pa ako matatakot? Inalis nyo na eh. May mga anak ako na bubuli sa school. Hindi ako nakakapagtrabaho because of that record. Ako po naman nakapagtapos din naman ng MBA sa Ateneo. Through scholarship, pinaghirapan ko. Ngayon may babalik niyo ba yung karangalan na sira sa akin, sa aking pamilya? I came here to find out the truth. To seek for the truth. Ngayon lang ako umiyak sa buong buhay ko. But we deserve the truth. The people of Los Baños deserve the truth. My family deserve the truth. Most especially my children. May anak din naman kayo. Sabi nga nung isa, iinog din ang buhay. Kahit lahat kayo nasa mga kapulisyahan, yung ibang mga bad eggs, makakarma din kayo. Tama naman. Gano'ng kasakit kayo nangyari kay Senator De Lima, 7 taon. Ako, 7 buwan. But regardless of the time, are we speaking of quantity? One day in jail is very hard. Even if you are guilty. What more if you're not guilty? I'm speaking on behalf of those people na namatay, na parusahan na walang kasalanan. Kung ikamamatay ko, itatanggapin ko kaysa naman sirang-sira pangalan ko. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I kept this for a long time. When I was inside, I keep on praying. That's the only thing that kept me alive aside from my family support and my relatives and friends. Pero hindi lahat ng tao makukulong kaya. Hindi lahat kaya. At hindi lahat may babalik ang ginawa nila. Your Honor, I can take things personally, regardless of how I feel. I always wanted to do the right thing. For 12 years, I have no record of corruption. I have no record of being an abusive public servant. Yes, I filed cases against those corrupt and abusive public officials because that is the mandate. Aside from being legal, it is a moral obligation on my part. When they're trying to set up a casino, I expose and try to stop it. When they're dumping the garbage at the creek of Makiling Forest Reserve, wherein the receipt will go directly sa lawa ng lalawigan ng Laguna at mamamatay ang mga isda at yaman dagat, I expose and filed na necessary cases. When they're cutting the when they cut the 29 trees in Jamboree Los Baños, I tried to stop it because they're about to cut 602 more trees. Your Honor, if this is what I deserve for fighting for what is right, and then so be it. But I'm not a killer. Even in my mind, I don't think of it. Hindi ko po yan magagawa. Wala po yan sa pagkatao ko, sa pamilya ko, sa lahi ko. Yes, I file cases, but I don't kill people. That's why I would like to take this opportunity, Your Honor. I did not kill him. I have no idea why my name was implicated in this case. As a matter of fact, even if I have reasons or compelling reasons, still I will not do it. Hindi ko po gagawin yan. Because I believe in the rule of law. Kaya nga po ako naghahable eh. Lahat po nagkakamali, pinipilit kong itama. Kung ayaw po, nakontra ako. Pag ayaw, I seek the help of the court, especially ombudsman, so that they will be the one to decide. And at that time, when Mayor Perez was killed, I'm no longer a politician or public servant at that time. Nasa private life na po ako. Hindi po ako makikinabang kung sakali man. Hindi ko rin po magagawa, bukod sa walang kapakinabangan, hindi po yan ang aking pagkatao. Kilala po ako ni Sir Dan, nanungkulan po yan sa Laguna. Nangahabla lang po ako. Pero hindi po ako napatay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. No? The only, I think, the crime or sin that you have committed is you're fighting against the mayor during that time. Because being the vice governor of the province of Laguna during that time, I know this fellow, Mr. Chairman. And si Mayor Perez was also a board member during that time da kami magkasama. Ako po ang vice governor nila. At we have talked about you, how you fought the administration of Mayor Perez then. But it was a fight that is natural on a democratic form of our government. And I was shocked to find out that you were involved during that time that I was the mayor of the city of Santa Rosa already. And you were implicated. Ang problem, Mr. Chairman, nakakalungkot lamang that those people in power in the PNP organization, nakakuha sila ng sketch nung tao na allegedly pumatay. Pero ang layo-layo naman sa muka nung former councilor ng Los Baños. And I really am shocked to find out why these people from the PNP have chosen you to be the poll guy. Actually, you were poll guy ka talaga, but we will establish that. We will establish, and we will give these people that we have invited the chance to prove that we are wrong. And the chismis, allegedly, that was received by former GM Garma was indeed a chismis. We will try to prove it now. Now, Mr. Chairman, allow me to show a video, no? Para makita po natin yung mga comparison between those being accused, those being manifested by GM Garma, that it was told to him by Major Albotra and now Colonel Albotra.
Do you have also
That
knowledge
he
about
was boasting, no? Naging boastful siya in telling GM Garma that grupo nila ang tumira kay Halili. And when this fellow saw our investigation during that time, he immediately called me and tried to compare what happened. And sabi ko, I will not believe right away. Give me story and give me evidences. Because here, in our Quadcom, hindi po tayo nag-entertain kung walang valid na mga ebidensya. So, Mr. Chairman, allow us to try to see these two videos before we ask our officials from the PNP.
have also knowledge about those other personalities who have been killed on the war on drugs? Like big personalities that you know about?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mayor Halili, pinagmalaki kasi ng isa, sir, na sila.
Sino yung nagmalaking yun?
Major Albotra, Mr. Chair.
Major
Albotra of Region 7.
Albotra?
Yes,
Of Region 7?
Yes po. Lieutenant Colonel Albotra na ata